Hello everyone, it's 12th January. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. On the first page we have Center to seek source code of smartphones insecurity measure, again very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have Iranian president slams US and Israel as protests continue, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Stalin grave risk to Tamils from Sri Lanka's constitutional reforms, again very important for policy and governance perspective. Then we have PM urges investors to seize India's opportunities, again very important for economic perspective. Then we have existing parking facilities remain underused even as MCD plans to unveil 20 new spaces, again very important for infrastructure perspective. Then we have Education Plus, where we have Whose English Is It? An interview with ELT expert Aran Mary on native speakerism in English, again very important for education perspective. Then we have blind spotting in India's cleanest city, again very important for cleanliness perspective. Going forward we have should the age of consent be lowered? While some argue that the current law criminalizes consensual relationships among adolescents, others warn that lowering the age could undermine protection against child exploitation. Again very important for policy and governance as well as society perspective. Then we have India's maritime policy, how it has evolved and what lies ahead, again very important for defense perspective. Then we have Bhairav battalions to debut in Army Day parade in Jaipur on January 15, again very important. Moving forward we have selfie penny drop mandated as KYC for crypto customers in India, again very important for security perspective. Then we have countdown to launch of PSLV C62 mission begins, again very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have Environment Ministry funds sought for forest management committees, again very important for environment perspective. Then we have Reliance to invest 7 lakh crore in Gujarat over next 5 years, says Ambani, again very important for economic perspective. Then we have renewing motor policy when less can be more, again very important. Moving forward we have the world page, where we have more protesters killed in Iran, unrest as concerns grow over crackdown, again very important for the international relations perspective. Then we have Venezuelans await release of more political prisoners, Maduro doing well, says Sun, again very important. Then we have Trump delivers oil warning, urges Cuba to strike a deal with the US before it is too late. Lastly, we have US allies launch retaliatory strikes on IS targets in Syria after deadly ambush. All these things are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.